or reflection with PCUA. In this video I want to talk about oceans. An ocean is a body of water that composes much of the planet's hydrosphere. An ocean is one of the major conventional divisions of the world. These are, in descending order by area, the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Antarctic, and Arctic oceans. The world's oceans, their temperature, chemistry, currents, and life drive global systems that make the Earth habitable for humankind. Our rainwater, drinking water, weather, climate, coastlines, much of our food, and even the oxygen in the air we breathe are all ultimately provided and regulated by the sea. Throughout history, oceans and seas have been vital conduits for trade and transportation. Careful management of these essential global resources is a key feature of a sustainable future. However, at the current time, there is a continuous deterioration of coastal waters owing to pollution and ocean acidification. This is having an adversarial effect on the functioning of ecosystems and biodiversity. This is also negatively impacting small-scale fisheries. The oceans are normally a natural carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Because the levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide are increasing, the oceans are becoming more acidic. The potential consequences of ocean acidification are not fully understood, but there are concerns that structures made of calcium carbonate may become vulnerable to dissolution, affecting corals and the ability of shellfish to form shells. Eutrophication is an increase of chemical nutrients, typically compounds containing nitrogen or phosphorus in an ecosystem. It can result in an increase in the ecosystem's primary productivity, which is excessive plant growth and decay, and further effects including lack of oxygen and severe reduction of water quality, fish and other animal populations. Marine protected areas need to be effectively managed and well resourced, and regulations need to be put in place to reduce overfishing, marine pollution, and ocean acidification. Oceans cover 3/4 of the Earth's surface, contain 97% of the Earth's water, and represent 99% of the living space on the planet by volume. Over 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. Oceans contain nearly 200,000 identified species, but actual numbers may lie in the millions. Oceans absorb about 30% of carbon dioxide produced by humans, buffering the impacts of global warming. Oceans serve as the world's largest source of protein, with more than 3 billion people depending on the oceans as their primary source of protein. Open ocean sites show current levels of acidity have increased by 26% since the start of the Industrial Revolution. Without concentrated efforts, coastal eutrophication is expected to increase 20% of large marine ecosystems by 2050. Everyone can help to make sure that we meet the global goals. These are 10 targets to create action to conserve and sustainably use the oceans. These are: reduce marine pollution, protect and restore ecosystems, reduce ocean acidification, sustainable fishing, conserve coastal and marine areas, and subsidies contributing to overfishing, increase the economic benefit from sustainable use of marine resources, increase scientific knowledge, research, and technology for ocean health, support small-scale fishers, implement and enforce international sea law. This will be all for this video. I hope you guys found the information useful, so I'll see you next time.